Welcome to learncaenow channel. In this tutorial, assembly modeling of a clamp assembly using PTC-CREO will be demonstrated. We shall open a new assembly, and name it as clamp. Now, click on Assemble, choose the clamp base, and set it on default constraint. We shall click on Assemble again, choose clamp cap. Let us select the cylindrical surface on the base and on the cap, and set the constraint on coincident. Select the two faces of the two parts as shown, and make them coincident. Uncheck Allow Assumption option, and make the two top planes parallel. Let us now assemble the clamp plug component. Select the cylindrical surfaces again, then the two faces, and make both of them coincident. Further, we shall make the two datum planes parallel, as shown in the model. Let us select the clamp nut for assembly. We shall select the cylindrical surfaces, then the face of the cap and the bottom of the nut to be coincident. Now let us assemble the first clamp pin. Select the right cylindrical surfaces, then the face of the pin and the side of the base. After the first pin is fully constrained, we can repeat it to assemble a second one. Now we shall select the clamp pin in the model tree, hold down right mouse button, and select repeat. At the new window we shall select the constraints we want to change for the new part, then click Add. The program highlights the necessary surfaces we have to select. Select the surface of the other hole, then the side of the base, and click OK. Thanks for watching. Kindly comment and subscribe.